After watching this video you will be able to understand about fish tank accessories. A fish tank is a bowl or container designed as a habitat for pet fish and aquatic plants. Most, if not all, animal-preserving organizations discourage people from keeping fish in tanks because this retains fish away from their natural habitat. But if you want to take care of aquatic organisms at home, make sure to provide them with the best care possible. Caring for fish involves the proper setting of their habitat, the fish tank. Before having more information about fish tank accessories, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. Aquarium. Of course, you need the tank itself. Fish tanks vary in size, shape, and material, and it is usually made from glass or acrylic. Also, glass tanks like Aqua Culture Aquarium are cheaper, harder to scratch, denser, and heavier than acrylic tanks, but are also easier to break. Stand. It is the furniture on which you place your aquarium. It should be strong and able to carry the whole tank with all the equipment, water, and live animals in it. There are fish tank stands available in the market like the Imagitarium Brooklyn gallon metal stand. Hood, lid and light. The hood is composed of a lid and a light. The lid is a glass portion that serves as a covering for the tank. It keeps the fish inside the tank, prevents water evaporation, avoids pollutants from getting into the tank, and protects the light bulb from water. Light imitates the natural day and night conditions of their original habitat. It also helps fish to be more active, and it brings out their natural colors, too. Fish may need up to 12 hours of daylight each day, but it is up to your preference. Filtration system. A filtration system is a piece of essential equipment in the fish tank. It aids in keeping the quality of water for your fish to stay healthy. You may purchase one with a bio-wheel system like Marineland Penguin Power Filter. Heater. A heater is used to raise the temperature of the water inside the fish tank. For most fish, especially tropical ones, the temperature should range from 74 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. That is why you need a heater unless your house temperature lies in that range all the time. Thermometer. To check if your tank water is at a proper temperature, you will need a thermometer. Water conditioner. You should make sure that the water you will use for your fish tank is free from ammonia, chlorine, heavy metals, and other toxins that may build up in your tank water. You need a water conditioner like API Pond Ammo-Lock to take care of them. Algae cleaner. Algae help maintain the ammonia and oxygen to a certain level needed for fish life. They are also beneficial to an extent, but excessive algae disrupt the environment of the fish. For this, you need algae scrubs. Algae magnets are also available in the market for a more convenient way of getting rid of algae. Fish tank accessories. Conclusion. The fish tank parts discussed in this video will somehow cost you a price, but remember to not settle for less. You are taking care of live animals, and each of these fish tank accessories plays a vital role in sustaining your tank's wellness, as well as the life of the aquatic organisms in it. For more information about fish tank accessories, visit our website yourfishguide.com. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to my channel.